We just recently upgraded to the Starlink Mini to save on space for packing and to kind of make easier setup. And we're looking for storage solutions to kind of store it in all together and protect it. We found that the 12 by 12 clear front packing cube was perfect for the size. Still a little bit of room to allow the cable to easily be in there, the AC adapter. You can kind of lay it in flat, get everything sorted, zip it up, protect it, and then when you're done, easy to pack it away, but we can also put it on some MOLLE panels with the webbing on the back. So if we want to hang it against the back wall, which we probably will in the future, it'll be up and protected and no gear will bang around and beat into it. So it's been an awesome find for the new piece of kit. So if you have the new Starlink Mini kit, the 12 by 12 is perfect for it. And I definitely recommend adding that to protect the gear.